How to close account on Get.io application. Are you guys facing issues to delete your account on Get.io application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Get.io application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on your profile. After you click on it, select security. You can see multiple options over here. Just scroll down. You are looking to close your account, right? Select the last option, close account. Now select the option why you want to close your account. After you close it, tap on next. Scroll down and click on accept and continue. Click on next. Just check this box and hit the next button. Tap on delete. Now write down your phone password. Now hit the send button. Once you hit the send button, Get.io application will send you a verification code. Once you write down your code, tap on submit. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna delete our account on Get.io application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us. See you in the next one.